Pythonic way to find maximum value and its index in a list. If I want the maximum value in a list, I can just write max list. But what if I also need the index of the maximum value? I can write something like this. But it looks tedious to me. And if I write then it will iterate the list twice. Is there a better way?
There are many options. For example,
I think the accepted answer is great, but why don't you do it explicitly? I feel more people would understand your code, and that is in agreement with PEP 8. This method is also about 3 times faster than the accepted answer. Results as they run in my computer. Other set.
This answer is 33 times faster than at Esqualo, assuming that the list is very large, and assuming that it's already an np.array. I had to turn down the number of test runs because the test is looking at 10 million elements, not just 100. Results on my computer.
With Python's built-in library, it's pretty easy. This tells Max to find the largest number in the list, 0, 1, 2, ... len a, using the custom function lambda x column x, which says that 0 is actually 2, 1 is actually 9, etc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.